Let's dive into the best add-ons to supercharge your Stremio setup for April 2026.
Stremio's good on its own, but add-ons? That's where the real power is.
They basically unlock everything, making Stremio your one-stop shop for entertainment.
Okay, let's start with the most important part, the streaming add-ons themselves.
And first on that list is Torrentio. Seriously, this one is pretty much essential.
It pulls links from all over and works great with dbrid for super fast streaming. Next up, we've got Media Fusion. This one is super powerful and has tons of options.
But what's really cool, it has special catalogs just for live TV and sports.
Also, check out AIO Streams. It's an all-in-one package for a super simple setup.
It packs streaming, catalogs, and even subtitles all into one handy add-on. Easy, right?
Looking for a solid alternative? Comet is another great choice for high-speed streaming.
It's a super popular and really fast alternative to Torrentio for movies and shows.
All right, now let's make browsing better with some top-notch catalog add-ons.
The default Stremio catalogs, yeah, they can feel a little basic sometimes.
This add-on totally changes that with awesome, detailed catalogs in lots of languages.
Want to know what's trending? The Streaming Catalogs add-on has you covered.
You can even filter by region to see what's hot in your area. Pretty neat.
Okay, add-ons are set. Now for a quick pro tip on performance and privacy.
Basically, a debrid service gives you faster, more private streams by hiding your IP.
And these are some of the most popular providers that just work perfectly with Stremio.